like I said, a flip-flop is a digital electronic circuit that switches between two states, 0 and what? And 1. And it is such that it only needs, let's say you have a lamp now, okay, that you want to put on. And you are going to be putting it, you are going to be using two different push buttons, your start and your stop. So your start can serve as a set for that flip-flop, and your stop can serve as a reset for the flip-flop. And it is such that when you press the button, the signal of this the signal is retentive. So you don't need to hold on to the button. Once you press the button once, the signal sent to that flip-flop is retentive, and that particular lamp will be on until there is a signal on the to reset it. So it will remain on the signal state. It will be at it will remain at 1 until it is reset to 0. And if it is reset to 0, it will remain at 0 until you set to 1 again. So in theory, so let's now say you have two push buttons. Okay. Okay. Two push buttons. One is serving as set, one is serving as what? As reset. And you have a lamp that they are trying to turn on. So if you press this button, the lamp become what? The lamp turns on. Okay? Even when you must have released the button. Are you with me? But by the time you press this other button, which is serving as reset, the lamp turns what? Turns off. Okay? The lamp turns off. When none of them is pressed, it's going to take the state, the last state. So if it was the set state that it has, it will remain in that set position until there is a reset. If it was the reset state that is the last, it's going to take that reset position until what? Until you set again. Okay? So in theory, when you press the two at the same time, what you're supposed to have is an undefined state. It's an undefined state. So it is such that when you press the set button, the lamp should come on and remain on until you press the reset button. And if you press the reset button, the lamp should remain off until you press the set button again. So when you are not pressing any of the button, the last state is what is going to retain. And in a situation where you press the two, it is supposed to have an undefined state. You should know, you don't know whether it's going to be on or off. That is in theory. But when we now come to PLC programming,